Have you ever felt like your business is just on social media but not really seeing any results? These days, billions of users spend hours every day on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So, your business just being on social media isn't enough. You need the right marketing strategy to make your business stand out and get more sales. So, in this video, I'll show you a step by step process to market your business using social media. You'll learn how to set goals to market, choose the right platform, create engaging content, and publish it on social media platforms. So I'm Brian from Upstate Learners, and let's get started. We are going to create a social media marketing plan for a travel agency. The goal is to reach more people and help them explore new places with budget-friendly deals. Currently, the agency doesn't have much of a social media presence, so let's see how we can do social media marketing for this travel agency in just 4 simple steps. The first step is to set a goal for your business. Setting a goal is important before you post anything. If we don't know what we're trying to achieve, we might end up posting just random things, and that usually doesn't lead to good results. Having a clear goal helps us stay focused and make sure every post points to the right direction. In social media marketing, there are 3 common goals in which you can choose. First one is awareness, driving leads, and driving sales. So let's break down each one of them. First, we have awareness. Awareness is making people know about your brand, product, or service that exists and giving them a basic idea of what you offer. Our next goal is to drive leads. Driving leads is all about attracting people who show interest in what you offer. Now, instead of asking them to make a purchase right away, you're inviting them to take a small first step like signing up, downloading an ebook, or getting in touch. This helps to start a conversation with potential customers who might be ready to buy your product later. The third important goal is to drive sales. Driving sales is all about turning leads into actual customers. Here the goal is to make them purchase your product or boost your revenue. It's perfect when you're ready to push your product and want results like orders, sign-ups, or checkouts. So these are the most common goals that you can choose to market your business. So for my business, I'm going to choose building brand awareness so more people know about the travel agency and its tours. So once you set a goal, we'll go to step 2, which is to choose a social media platform. There are various social media platforms that you can choose from depending on what you want to achieve. You can use Facebook to connect directly with your customers, especially for local businesses looking to build a strong community around their brand. And Instagram is a great fit for brands that rely on visuals like fashion, food, or travel, where you can showcase your products or services through high quality images and videos. And LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professional networking. So if you're looking to connect with various businesses or professionals in your industry, it's perfect for that. There are many more other platforms available like X, TikTok, and YouTube. So based on your audience, you can choose the platform that best suits your business. And for this travel agency, I'm going to choose Facebook because it helps us to reach a wider audience and connect with travelers more directly. Before posting anything on social media, it is important to set up a proper business page for your company. And I've chosen this, and this is the Facebook page that I've created for my business. Once you've chosen the social media platform, we can go to step 3, which is to create engaging content. Now, great content grabs attention, keeps your audience interested, and encourages them to interact with your brand. It can be posts, reels, or shorts that help you promote your brand or product to a wider audience on your chosen platform. Coming up with content ideas can take time, especially when you want to stay consistent. You can start with your own content or use tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. But in this video, I'm going to use GravityWrite because it has everything we need in one single place. For generating captions and images to even posting them directly on social media, it makes the whole process much easier. To check out GravityWrite, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Now fill in these details about your business. This helps GravityWrite to understand your brand better. First, enter your business profile, just a short name or a title. Then write a short description of what your business or service is about. Next, enter the product or service you want to promote. And finally, add the main goal of your marketing posts. I'm going to choose Build Brand Awareness. And once you're done, just click Save and Continue. And now we can start creating the content for multiple social media platforms like Facebook image posts, Reels, Instagram posts, YouTube video ideas, scripts, and so much more. Now let's generate a Facebook post and Reels idea. Just click on Create Content. And as you can see, it has generated the idea for both posts and Reels. Now that we've got the idea for the Facebook post, let's create the content for the post. Just copy the idea you like, then paste it here and click Create Content. As you can see, it has generated the full content for our Facebook post. Okay, let's create an image for our Facebook post. To create high quality AI images, we have a tool in GravityWrite. First, let's copy the content we generated. Then go to AI Image Generator tool. Click here. Click here. And since we are making a Facebook post, click here. Next, you can choose a ready-made template for your post. And as you can see, there's a wide range of options. These templates make sure the process is super easy because once you pick the one that fits your company style, the tool will automatically generate a complete design for you. The best part is, templates save a lot of time, keeping your posts looking professional, and it makes sure your branding stays consistent. Now I'll paste the post's content here. And once everything is done, click Generate Image. And as you can see, our image is ready. Okay, now that we've got the image and the caption for our post, we can just post it directly on Facebook. In the same way, you can create customized content for any other social media platform like Instagram, LinkedIn, or X. Now let's say you want to create promotional videos for your brand or product on YouTube. This tool helps you brainstorm ideas, generate titles, and even write entire scripts. All you have to do is just click on the YouTube section and click Create Content under YouTube Video Ideas. You can see it has given us ideas for both YouTube Shorts and longer videos. Now I'm going to create a script for YouTube Shorts. So let's copy this idea and paste it into the YouTube Shorts video script section. Then click Create Content. And as you can see, GravityWrite has generated a well-structured YouTube script based on the idea that we gave. Now you can use this script to make a video and upload it on YouTube. And this is how you can create engaging content for different social media platforms. Now that we have successfully created the content, you can go ahead and post it on your social media platforms. So let's go to the final step, which is to schedule your post on your social media platforms. Now instead of posting manually, you can schedule your posts in advance and let them run automatically. To make this super easy, we have a tool in GravityWrite that lets you schedule and automatically publish your content across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all from one single place. To access the tool, just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. Now to schedule the post, first you need to add your social media accounts. To do that, simply click Add Accounts. Then choose the platform that you want to connect. I'm going to connect to Facebook. And here we can see that GravityWrite is trying to connect with your Meta account. So just click Continue. Now to connect Meta platforms like Facebook and Instagram, there are a few things that you need to do. You should have a Facebook page, a business Instagram account, and both should be linked together. Once that is done, you will see an option to choose either all Facebook pages or just the one you're connecting right now. Pick the one you want and click Continue. In the same way, you can connect all your business accounts or just the one you're currently using. Once you've chosen, click Continue. Next, you can choose to connect your current Instagram account or link all your Instagram accounts. Once that is done, click Continue. Then click Save. And this will connect GravityWrite to your Meta account. Once your Meta account is connected to GravityWrite, click here to continue. And you can see the Facebook account we just connected. Just select it and click Choose. And your Facebook account will be connected to Meta. In the same way, you can connect the other platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and more, so that everything will be organized in one single place and it is easy to manage. Once you've added your social media account, let's create the post that you want to schedule. Click on Create Post button. And here you'll see the icons for all the platforms you connected. Choose the one you want to post on. I'm going to post on Facebook for this example. Now let's select the type of content you want to create. It could be an image post, a reel, or even a story. Since we've already created a post, I'll go ahead and select Post as the content type. Now let's upload the image that we generated earlier using GravityWrite. And once that is done, we'll head back to GravityWrite and copy the caption that we generated and paste it here. If you want to publish the post right away, simply click on Post Now, and if you want to schedule the post later, just click here and choose the date and time when you want your post to go live. Click here. Once you set that, click on Schedule to confirm. And there you go. Your post is now scheduled. You can always check the status right here. It will show as scheduled for now, and once the post is published, it will automatically change to published. Now you can see that our post has been published in the platform that we selected. So let's go ahead and check it. And there it is. Our post is live on Facebook. And this is how you can schedule your post and publish it directly to your social media platform. Now, if you want to take your social media marketing to the next level, here's one more strategy that you can use. Start running ads. Ads can help you reach more people, get more clicks, and sell more products faster and more effectively than organic posts. And if you'd like to learn how to run those ads step by step, you can just watch this video. This is how you can do social media marketing for any business step by step and super easy. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.